Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can leverage AI to generate a cloud flow by specifying instruction in a simple English language. In this example, I will show how we can build a flow to post a message to teams for overdue task in a planner. Let's start with a planner task. Open the plan. You can see three tasks that have passed the due dates. Using flow, we will post reminder for all the overdue tasks in a team channel. Let's create a flow in Teams. Click three dots and select workflows from the menu. You can see number of pre-built templates like sending notification to start from. If you don't find the flow in a template, then we can leverage AI capabilities to generate a flow for us. For that, click Workflow Builder on the bottom right corner. AI suggests some example to start from. You can specify instruction to generate a flow. Here I have entered instruction to post a message on Teams channel for the overdue task from a planner. Click Submit to proceed. AI has created a flow for us. It has set up a manual trigger flow with some action. Click Next to proceed. In this step, we will set the connections and specify the required parameter for each action. For planner action, select the group ID and the plan ID. For Teams action, choose the team name and the channel name and click Next. In the next step, let's explore each action in detail. We may need to modify some action if we find them to be incorrectly configured. It's a manual trigger flow. List task action is set up perfectly. Let me expand for each action. The input parameter for each action is correctly set. The condition to check if the due date is passed or not is not appropriate and it needs to be corrected. We will come back to it later. Let's check the next action. Post message in channel, also missing message body that we will add later. So let's go back to the condition action. The expression used for due date property is incorrect, so delete it. Let's choose the due date from the dynamic values. Because of compact screen, it is difficult to locate the due date field. Mouse over the field to see its name and choose value due date time from the list. The operator should be less than instead of greater than the current date. In the post message action, enter the appropriate reminder text. We will choose the value title from the dynamic value list. Finally, click Create Flow button to create the required workflow. Click Manage your workflow button to run and test the flow. The flow is all set to run. Click Run button. The flow will create connection to run the flow. Click Continue and Run Flow to trigger the flow. Let's check the flow action from the flow run history. List task returns all tasks from the planner. In total, there are 5 tasks. Task 2 is an overdue task. Similarly, task 3 and 4 are also overdue tasks. Let's check the teams to see if we have received reminder notification for all 3 tasks. There you are. We have notification for all 3 overdue tasks. So that's it. For more videos on feature update and use cases, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.